Need irrigation system maintenance, service and repair in Ardrossan? A reliable irrigation system is essential for a healthy, well-watered lawn. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert maintenance and fast, affordable repairs to keep your system running at peak performance. From clogged sprinkler heads to leaks and system failures, our experienced team delivers customized solutions designed for Ardrossan's unique climate. Whether it's routine upkeep or an urgent repair, we ensure your irrigation system stays efficient all year round. With honest pricing, skilled technicians, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we're Ardrossan's trusted choice for irrigation system maintenance, service and repair. Ready to keep your irrigation system in top shape? Call Kingstree Plumbing today.